Alright, so open up the MP40. Okay, and then get the wires out. Plug in your 7.4 PEG battery, like that. What you gotta do is you put it on an angle, like this. So you can put the wires like so, tuck it in, put the battery in on an angle, like that, or like that, right? And then you can put the upper receiver back slowly, make sure there's no contact. You can see that there's enough clearance to put the upper back, like so. And then, like that, see? So it all fits. You don't need to stick battery. PEG works too. That's why I shipped it out as is. Just a fire test. Right? All good. And then you can open it and it slides out easily. Again, it's tucked in, no issue. And as you can see, there's no damage to the battery whatsoever. Thank you very much.